This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by recognizing common security risks that target PubG accounts and clients. Look for unknown third-party apps or mods that inject code into the game. Check running processes and note any unfamiliar names using high CPU or network bandwidth. Watch for unsolicited links promising free skins or currency that request your login details. Be cautious with account sharing and with installing unofficial tools from forums or unknown websites. These initial checks reduce exposure and prepare you for immediate remediation steps. Take immediate remediation steps when you detect compromise or suspect risk. Disconnect the device from the internet and change your PubG and email passwords immediately. Uninstall any cheats, mods, or unknown apps that could inject code into the game. Use the game client to verify integrity of game files and repair corrupted installations. Run a full antivirus and anti-malware scan and remove any detected infections or keyloggers. After cleanup, recheck running processes and ensure no suspicious services restart automatically. Implement long-term protections to prevent future PubG security problems. Enable two-factor authentication and Steam Guard or the platform equivalent for additional account protection. Use a password manager and create unique, strong passwords for your PubG account and linked email. Avoid public Wi-Fi when playing and use a trusted VPN if needed for network security. Do not accept third-party tool offers or join unofficial servers that request elevated permissions. Regularly update your OS, GPU drivers, and the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.